Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show my CNC machine drawing a triangle. As you can see here, this is my CNC machine. This is the far view of the CNC machine. And you can see here, this is the paper on which I am drawing the triangle, and this is the Z-axis pen. I am not having a motor for the Z-axis currently. Later on I will provide this feature in the software and physical feature also. So as you can see here, the motors are in action. Both the motors are in action. You can see here, both the motors are in action, and it is drawing a triangle. As you can see here, it is tracing the triangle correctly. As you can see here, it is following the trace. It has already drawn a triangle, and again it is drawing the same triangle, and it is following the trace. You can see it is following the trace. It is perfectly following the trace. However, there was a little deviation here at this point. Initially there was some deviation because the pen was not in its position. It has missed the position here, that's why there was some deviation, but this is not due to the hardware or software malfunction. Because since the pen is not installed properly, that's why we had a deviation at that point. Now I have corrected it, and now it is tracking the initial drawing. You can see the triangle is being made by my CNC machine. So this is the far view of the CNC machine. As you can see, this is the stepper motor driver, and this is the Arduino Uno, and here this is the Arduino Uno software. The software is running. You can see the number of turns remaining, and this is a glimpse of the software. So here you can see, presently here you can see this motor is only moving. This is the x-axis motor, so this motor is only moving, and you can see the line is also made parallel to the x-axis. So only x-axis line is being drawn now, and x-axis motor is moving, y-axis motor is standby. Now it will again start moving the triangle again. So now both the motors started moving again, and it is going to redraw the same trace. You can see the pen tip is following the initial triangle. That means I don't have a deviation. If the z-axis is fixed, then it will follow the initial drawing. See, it is following the initial drawing. There is no deviation. You can see the pen is getting thicker. You can see the pen is getting thicker. It is following the initial drawing. You can see the motors are in action. You can see motors are in action. And this is the far view of the CNC machine. This CNC machine is under test. I need to do a lot of developments in this test, in this machine. The software needs to be upgraded in many aspects. You can see this is the triangle. My machine is following the initial drawing. Again it is redrawing the same triangle, and it is following. There is no deviation in the drawing. It is perfect. You can see the direction of motion of the two stepper motors while drawing line in this angle. See, this is how it is drawing. Here I will describe my mechanism a little bit. Here these are the bearings giving support. This is another set of bearing giving support, and these are the rollers. Around the x-axis these are the rollers, and this is the start thread, main start thread, on which the x-axis motor is turning. The x-axis which is turning the x-axis motor, you can see. And same way the y-axis motor is turning this screw thread, and this is support, and these wooden blocks are for balancing. And this stud, actually I did not disconnect them, I did not remove them. So when I will finalize the design, I will make the design nice. So you can see here the triangle is being made. I am now testing the software. Later on I will enhance the hardware. So this is how the software is behaving. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.